Hey, this is Horrible with Gaming here, and I am about to present Horrible with Cooking, and today we are making pancakes. Yes, this is just like the simple, just add water pancakes. So today we are going to go with the recipe that requires 2 cups of mix, which should have like 10 to 12 4-inch pancakes according to the instructions here. So yeah, this looks like to be about 2 cups of mix as the package indicated. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this in the bowl. Maybe. Oh, good thing I got a thing. It looks like we also require 1 1/3 cup of cold water. So that goes in there too. Got enough bowl here, right? Alright, so I guess we just do the mixy here, just like something like that, I guess. Mixy. Okay, so according to the instructions, the batter should be slightly lumpy, and we wait for 2 minutes. So I think maybe this is right at the time to go ahead and let it sit, so I'll be back. Okay, so it says here to cook about a 1/4 cup of pancake onto the griddle at a time. So let's get that measuring cup out. So I got a little bit of oil on here, and here we go. This is the first one. Let's see how it goes. It's just about a 1/4 cup on. Get in there. Just and I guess it says that doesn't look very round, does it? Is that normal? I'm not sure, but it says like 1.5 minutes or so per side. Blob, a pancake blob. I flipped the pancake. Okay, this is awful. And this is Horrible with Cooking. I shouldn't have done that. And yeah, that's about a 4-inch pancake, right? From a 1/4 inch thingy. You know, I've got the pan space. I'm going to do a few at a time. See how this turns out. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have a feeling these might run together. Yeah, they're going to. Or not. We will see. Let's see how we did here. Kind of tough to cut through it. Looks to be cooked all the way through. No major separation things. Time to get the syrup. Sugar. I flipped those over, and apparently it appears I've waited too long, and one of them got a little. So my batch of 4 had similar results, you know, where they were pretty good and not undercooked in the middle, which is one of the things that's kind of important for pancakes. You don't want them overcooked, but I am kind of used to bigger pancakes, so we're going to give that a shot. How big do I want this next one to be? I'm not sure. Let's go. That should be big enough. Maybe. Well, that's kind of expanding faster than I thought it would. Yeah, that's the size of pancake I'm used to. Now keep in mind, this is like a 14-inch pan, so that's like an 8 to 10-inch pancake. I don't know if this is right or not. That is about a 1/2 inch thick pancake. Here, let's do a fork for scale here. It's okay, maybe an inch thick even. That's just, yeah, that's a thick boy. Looks like the flip was successful. But yeah, that is still a. Maybe I could smash this down to be a little bit thinner, just like. Yeah, that's a pretty thick pancake. I'm still gonna eat it. I just hope it cooks all the way through. Well, it doesn't look bad coming out of the pan. Let's see how it actually cuts apart, though. So it's, seems moist, but it doesn't seem like it's. Maybe it's. No, that's not undercooked. So that should be good to eat. I'll call it. Ooh, a little crispy on the outside, but I'm not used to that. I guess it's alright for a pancake. Alright, there we go. There I am. Horrible with gaming and horrible with cooking, apparently. Wasn't a complete fail. Probably should have added a little bit more water for the mix for making bigger pancakes. Maybe. We'll see how that goes. Thank you.